Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is T.Trainer, your fitness trainer, personal coach, Basant Mainaly, and you're watching Base for Impact. So guys, today we are going to do totally different workout routine, a bit intense, hardcore, calisthenic, raw training routines. Today we are going to do a workout routine by using this tire. Currently this tire weighs around 40 to 50 kgs. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We are done with today's Tyre workout routine. It was really intense and hardcore and quite raw. You can do this workout routine at your home, at your playground, anywhere you feel like. So thank you for watching. Intentarlo por favor. I'm going to upload more videos soon. If you like this video, please share it, please subscribe it and click on the thumbs up as well as the notification bell. Muchas gracias por mirar. Hasta la próxima. This is T.Trainer behind the Gyamcho.T.Bhutia and you're watching Base for Impact. Adios.
They do anything for a Klondike. Well, I'll do anything for a blonde. And shit.